persistent illness, fatigue, or tension in home. Before blaming stress or diet, please check your kitchen. In classical feng shui, this space holds the power to nourish or drain your family's life force. In this video, you are going to learn 3 powerful kitchen secrets which could shift your health and fortune for the better. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Dibi. I am a certified practitioner in classical feng shui and Chinese astrology. This channel is dedicated to helping you unlock fulfillment, vitality and abundance through the ancient wisdom of Chinese metaphysics. Your kitchen is not just a cooking space. This is a powerful energetic center. Why? Because what you consume is influenced by the chi that exists where it is being prepared. When this chi is imbalanced, this can lead to physical illness, emotional unrest, and even loss of wealth. Let us explore the top 3 feng shui insights which every kitchen must follow, starting with a clash which most people don't even realize that it is hurting them. But before we dive in, if you find value in my content, please like, comment and subscribe. Hit the bell icon below for instant notification whenever there is a new content in my channel. Thank you for being here. Tip number 1. Cure the fire-water clash. If your stove and sink are side by side or directly face each other, then you have got fire-water clash inside your kitchen. In feng shui, stove represents fire element, particularly when you are cooking, and sink represents water element. These water and fire elements clash each other. Therefore, they should not sit close to each other. This invisible conflict creates unstable chi, affecting not only the food quality, but also your digestion, mood, and overall family dynamics. A simple fix: introduce wood elemental cure between the two. Now, wood element harmonizes water and fire elements, and therefore this will balance the chi flow inside your kitchen. As a remedy, introduce potted plant or wooden cutting board between the sink and stove inside your kitchen. Tip number 2. Location matters. Contrary to what you may think, the fortunate kitchen location, particularly fortunate location of the stove inside your kitchen, should be inside an inauspicious energy sector of your house based on the house Gua system. Now, what does that mean? As per the 8 mansions feng shui system, all the houses in the world are categorized into 8 different categories. They are called house Gua. Now, each house Gua determines the quality of chi distribution inside your house. Let us take the example of a Li house, which is sitting in the south direction and facing the north direction. Now, the fortunate kitchen location inside a Li house should be either northeast or southwest sector. Why? Because if the kitchen, particularly the stove, is located in the northeast or southwest sector, then it will burn away the negative chi in that sector. Thereby, it will reduce the negative impact of the inauspicious chi inside those sectors, particularly the impact of Liu Sha, 6 killings, and Huo Hai mishaps. Now, what happens if we have a kitchen located in the east sector of a Li house? Then the fire chi of the stove will burn away the Sheng chi, which is the most prosperous and vibrant chi inside the house. In summary, location matters. I am sharing with you a summary of all the fortunate locations for your kitchen, particularly your stove, for all the 8 house Guas. Tip number 3. Beyond the location, direction matters. Is your stove facing the right direction? As per the classical feng shui text, the fire mouth of the stove should align with the personal life gua of family's matriarch. Now let us understand what this means. The fire mouth of your stove is the direction the stove is facing. As per the 8 mansions feng shui system, each and every person is associated with personal life gua number based on the person's birth information. Let us consider a female person with personal life gua number 9, Li gua. If the stove is facing southeast direction in this family, then that will be super prosperous and fortunate for the family. This will enhance the vitality for the family. Why? Because southeast direction is the heavenly healer Tian Yi direction for the female person. On the contrary, if the stove is facing the northwest direction, then that will silently deplete the overall life force energy for the family. Why? Because northwest direction is the Jueming, the total loss and severed fate direction for the female person. Please take a note here. While the fortunate location of the stove depends on the house gua, the fortunate direction for the stove is dependent on the personal life gua of family's matriarch. Now here is the summary for the fortunate stove directions for all the 8 life guas. Please consider this as a reference. Now that you know how powerful your kitchen can be in shaping your health and prosperity, please don't stop here. Your entire house actually plays a very important role in shaping your destiny. If you are house hunting, or if you are wondering whether your house is silently supporting in achieving your goal, then please watch one of our past videos. Is your house lucky for you? Or if you'd like to know whether your front entrance door is inviting prosperous chi for your family, watch the video on front door feng shui. If you'd rather prefer personalized guidance, then please visit my website and book a slot for one-to-one consultation for house feng shui and bird's eye astrology. As always, please like, comment and subscribe for more secrets from the world of Chinese metaphysics. Stay blessed, stay connected, and I'll see you in my next video.